Okay, so we're going to add a YouTube piece and turn that into a full blog post. So we're going to click the add content button. We're going to choose YouTube video. We're going to click next. We're going to put in the URL of our YouTube video. For this one, I want to use the one from my channel that we just published. And we're going to click create content now. Okay, so that piece went into the queue. You can see it here. And now we'll come back and check it out when it's ready. All right, our long form blog from the YouTube video is ready to go. You can see it's 1,700 words. It has a full title here, AI content creation, boosting long form blogging and SEO. A reminder, if you've downloaded our WordPress plugin and you've connected it with the API, this will directly sync to the backend of your WordPress website as well. So if we go through this piece, we can see it is a long form piece that's based on our YouTube video. You know, so much better than a transcription. We have a breakdown of the points we cover. You can see the video is already nicely embedded and it's broken down. We have links to the tools mentioned. So we want to go through this, of course, make it better, add our own personal touch, add story, add a CTA to our services, and we can go through the optimization score and make it better as well by optimizing with our keyword a few more times. So whenever you choose YouTube to post, podcast to post, anything that's not keyword to post, our tool will take a good guess at the best keyword for this piece of content. So that's what it did here. You can see that it picked AI content creation, which is a pretty relevant keyword to pick for this topic. And it's optimized the piece for that keyword. So it's done that part as well. And now it's just up to us to go through, humanly review, make it better, and publish.